Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Boom Boom and welcome back to my music room. How are you today? Are you having a happy day? I'm having a happy day because I get to have music class with you. I am so happy that you're here because we're going to learn about a special family. Now I know what you're thinking. Family, that means it has to be a mommy or a daddy or grandma or grandpa or a brother or sister. And yes, those people are part of our family, but we're talking about a musical family and a very special musical family called the Idiophone family. Can you say that word, idiophone? You ready? Idiophone. Very good. Let's practice it and say it one more time. Ready? Idiophone. Very good. Now we're going to learn about a special instrument in the idiophone family, and guess what? It's named after a body part. Yes, it's true. This instrument is named after one of our body parts. Can you guess and think what it is? Do you think it could be a foot instrument? A belly drum? I know that's so silly, but maybe I'll give you a hint. Okay, here's the hint. You ready? All right, here we go. Oh! Do you think you know what it is? All right, maybe I should give you one more hint, okay? You ready? Oh! All right, so put on your thinking cap and think hard. What could this instrument be and what body part is it named after? So, if you're ready for music, I want you to clap your hands. If you're ready for music, I want you to say, "Oh yeah." All right, let's sing and head over to my piano, all right? I want you to sing along with me. Here we go. It's such a beautiful day. The birds are singing and they say, "Would you like to be my friend today?" I'm Mr. Boom Boom, it's nice to see you. I've been waiting all day to ask you, would you like to be my friend? Come on and be my friend. Tell me, will you be my friend today? So how about it? Will you be my friend today? You will? Awesome! Let's start today's lesson. If you're looking for hand drums for your little ones, check out my online store, mrboomboom.shop. There I have a 3-pack of hand drums that's perfect for young learners. Go to mrboomboom.shop to learn more. In the world of music, we have different families, which is another way of saying groups of instruments that are similar. For example, we have the string family, which consists of instruments that have what? Strings. For example, we have the violin, the viola, or the cello. Another group or another family is the wind family, and those are instruments that require you to blow into the instrument, like the trumpet or the saxophone. Then we have my favorite musical family, the percussion family, and those are different types of drums, like the djembe drum, cajon drum, or a drum set. Today's instrument is part of the idiophone family. Are you ready to know what it's called? All right, here we go. This instrument is called the tongue drum. Everyone say that. You ready? Tongue drum. One more time. Tongue drum. Very good. The tongue drum is made from the metal or steel of a recycled propane tank. And although it's a modern instrument, its origins trace all the way back to ancient civilizations in Indonesia and Africa. So I know what you're thinking. Why is it called a tongue drum? Well, it's pretty simple. If you look carefully at the instrument, each note is in the shape of a tongue. We have big tongues, medium-sized tongues, and small tongues, and each of them make a different sound. Did you hear that each tongue makes a different sound? And the bigger the tongue, the lower the tone, and the smaller the tongue, the higher the tone. When we play 2 or more notes at the same time, that's called harmony. When we play one note at a time, it's called melody. I'm going to play a few songs, and if you know it, I want you to sing along. Here we go. That I'm available for performances nationwide? Yeah, it's true. I'm available for school assemblies, libraries, and special events all over the country. So if you want to rock out with me in person, visit MrBoomBoom.com. All right, friends, sing along with me. Here we go. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 If you like them, say yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, and yummy and yummy and yummy. Uh-oh, was that you? No, it wasn't me. I think it was you. What are you supposed to say? Excuse me. Let's move on to our first vowel, the letter A. Sing along. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 If you like them, say yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, and yummy and yummy and yummy. Uh-oh, was that you? Did you burp again? No, it wasn't me, it was you. What are you supposed to say? Excuse me. All right, let's move on to the next vowel, the letter E. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 If you like them, say yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, and a yummy and a yummy and a yummy. Oh no! Did you burp again? No, it wasn't me. It was you. What are you supposed to say? Excuse me. All right, our next vowel is the letter I. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 If you like them, say yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, and a yummy and a yummy and a yummy. Oh no, you burped again. No, that wasn't me, it was you. No, it wasn't me, it was you. All right, let's do the next vowel, the letter O. Very good. I like to apples and bananas. I like to oat, oats and bananas. I like to oats and bananas. I like to oats and bananas. If you like them, say yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yummy yummy yummy. Oh no! You burped again. It wasn't me. I think it was you. No. It was you. Actually, the next vowel is the letter U. Sing along. I like to O's and bananas. 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 If you like them, say yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yummy yummy. Ah! You burped again! It was not me, it was you! No. Okay, say excuse me, and we're gonna start from the beginning. Let's stand up and dance. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 If you like them, say yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yum 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 yummy, yummy. Excuse me. That was so much fun. Let's go over our lesson. We learned about what instrument today. What is it called? Remember, it's named after a body part. It's the tongue drum. Very good. Can you say that again? Tongue drum. And the tongue drum is in what musical family? The idiophone family. Say that again. Ready? The idiophone family. So it's time to end music class now. I know I'm sad about it too. But before you go, make sure you call a grown-up over and make sure they hit the red subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure your grown-up hits the like button as well. So it's time to sing goodbye. So let's go over to the piano and sing. Let's say goodbye to our friends, our friends, our friends. Say goodbye to our friends. We had some fun today. Now don't forget, all of you are special and loved, and I'll see you again soon, all right? Bye, friends. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I have so many more lessons. Click one of the playlists down below. And if you really liked today's video, hit the like and subscribe button.